Hello, my friend. This is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends. Let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Cream.
Grandma. Build. Candy.
Cream.
Cream.
Ben didn't see any cream at the store.
Noisy. Lemon.
Sausage. Grandpa.
Are the apples next to the oranges?
No, I don't use any cream for this recipe. Dream. Cream. We have a lot of yogurt at home.
Because.
I know that the ham is near the bread. Ham. Home. Ham.
Я знаю этот ветчина.
The ham is next to the chicken. No, Ben. We have sausages. Sausages. Need sausages.
Don't need any sausage.
Wow, you bought a lot of yogurt.
We already have a liter.
We need a lot of yogurt for the kids.
We need to buy a liter of milk. The ham is the near chicken.
The ham is near the chicken.
We need to buy a liter of milk. No, Ben. We don't need any sausages.
The ham is near the chicken.
you like any soft drinks?
What else did you buy? What else did you else? Do we have any flour at home? Hour.
My grandparents eat a kilogram of rice every week.
Let's buy 2 cans of soda.
Are there any soft drinks in the fridge? Salt. Soft.
I have to buy a kilogram of lemons for my cake. I have to buy a kilogram of lemons for my cake.
Купить килограмм лимонов для моего торта.
Is there anything cheap in this store? Is there anything cheap in this store? Everything. Anything. Is there anything cheap in this? Anything.
Are you going to buy any flour today?
Would you like anything else?
A kilogram of oranges will be enough. A kilogram of oranges will be enough.
Flowerstein. Flower.
Mom always buys me a can of soda at the supermarket. Mom always buys me a can of soda.
Or? There. 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 In fridge. Drinks.
Are there any soft drinks in the fridge? Are there any soft drinks? Are there any soft drinks in the fridge?
Mom, always. Buys me a can of the soda at supermarket.
Mom always buys me a can of soda. At the supermarket.
Or there.
There.
Any drinks. The fridge. Mom always buys me a can of soda. Supermarket.